sun burned our bones, but we kept cutting, cutting to feed our children. Some of our brothers fell, died.